In this video, I will show you how to create plugins and configure plugins in Copilot Studio. So essentially, plugins are kind of reusable building blocks which can be created in Copilot Studio and can be used across all the Microsoft product like M365 and Dynamic 365, Copilot Studio, and Power Platform. And there are two type of plugins. So one is actually AI plugins and another is the conversational plugins, right? And in this video I will focus on the AI plugin and specifically the AI builder plugin, right? So let me go ahead and show you that how we can create a plugin and configure plugin in Copilot Studio. So before I go into the technical part, let me just show you the power of this feature, right? This capability. So let me go ahead and ask a question here. So let me ask here, write an email for electricity complaint, and let's enter here. Okay, so we got the output here. So the it internally invoked this AI builder plugin, and it used the prompt which we have defined in the plugin, and based on that actually it responded here, right? So let's go ahead and see the technical part of this integration, right? So first let me show you how we can create a AI plugins. So to create a AI plugin, we have to go to this AI plugin screen, and in this screen we have this button on the top, and we have to click on this button to create a AI plugin. And inside that actually we have option for the generate content and extract inside. So we can use this option to build AI builder prompt plugins. So let's go ahead and click here. And once we click here, so there are few things we have to do here. First we have to define the name, and then second thing we have to do is we have to uh, write a prompt here, right? So uh, we can write a prompt or we can use the template, right? So there are templates available here. So let me go ahead and select the respond to complaint template. And once we select the template, then it will automatically create a prompt here, right? And then if we want, we can test this prompt also, right? So we can pass the input text here and then click on the text prompt. With that actually we can test this prompt, right? So I have already created the plugin, okay, which I'm using in my chatbot. So let me go ahead and show you that plugins, right? So this is the plugin which I created, which will generate email using the generative AI, right? And and to integrate this plugin, what I did is I have in the under the actions sections, I have added this plugin which I build inside the on the AI plugin page, right? So to integrate this plugin in the chatbot, what we need to do is we have to click on this create button, and then we can search that plugin here, right? So let me go ahead and filter here, and let me find that plugin. So this is not connector, this is not flow. I think this should come under the skills, not skills. Okay, so let's see. So okay, so let's search here. Okay, so um, we can see the plugin which we created, we can see here. And so to add this plugin we just need to click this plugin name, and then once we click here it will show the detail, okay. And essentially when we use this plugin, the important thing is the description and then the input parameter, right? So essentially this plugin when we created it, it doesn't enable the input parameter. So what we can do is we can add the input here, and let's go ahead and click the input. So this is would be the input, and then we also need a output. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's see where is the output. Let's go back, and let's see where is the output. Okay, this is the output, right? So we need to add the output. Okay, so this will return the output here, right? So I think we are good, and let's go ahead and save this. Um Okay, so I don't want to add this plugin right now because I already added this plugin in this chatbot, right? So if you let me go ahead and cancel here. Okay, so this is the plugin which already I added earlier. Let me click here, and if you see, I have defined the description and then input and then output here, right? So essentially, when I'm asking a question to this chatbot, and in the utterance, right, I'm passing right the uh, phrase like write a email, right, and which is part of my description. So essentially what this copilot is doing is it is using the gpt to select the topic or the plugins, okay, and then it is using this intent to identify the or determine the plugin, right? So basically in this utterance I have the right email, and based on that utterance, it is identifying the or determining the this plugin, right? All right.